Okay, so not really disturbing anyone. These are lifts in the Waterloo Hotel. Pretty antique because of... yeah, these probably installed from the 30s, I think. Yeah, so it's like, get it. Try and talk with me so I don't get a copyright strike. Gee, look at this indicator. Yeah, that's very interesting and unique. Just think how the... I don't know why lift isn't coming. Let's wait for one. I'm just waiting out. Yep, this is an old elevator. Let's go to 5. Sadly, fixtures replaced with Schindler ones. How disappointing. Hey, at least it's got a single door on the inside and 2 speed doors on the out. Very interesting. You'll get off at level 5, so you can find the service lift. We have 5. Oh, actually, we are at 4. Okay. I don't know what that says. Let's see if I find. We have 5. Interesting tab. So we'll quickly get out here. I'm going to try to find the service list. Interesting. Oh yeah, up here it's got the single speed doors. And yeah, nice hotel rooms. Obviously we won't be here for like long. We're just going to try to find the service list. But we won't ride it. So now we'll go down. Yellow to lift me. Here we will not be getting... Ooh, we get this one. Look at this interior. It's not bright, to be honest. Let's go to ground. Interesting buttons. Yeah, sadly we could not find service lift. But yeah, I heard it was actually more nice with Schindler, so it doesn't matter. And YouTube user T32 Railways on Instagram already found this lift, so when I get it, just follow his Instagram, he'll have the photos. 13 person 19 kgs. And watch the lifts go. And yeah, that's it.